The denominator of a fraction is 2 more than thrice its numerator. If the numerator as well as the denominator is increased by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. What was the original fraction? So let's assume that the fraction is x over y, alright? And according to the question, the denominator of the fraction, so denominator of the fraction is y, is 2 more than thrice is numerator. Then thrice is numerator is x. So we have an equation here. Let's call this equation 1. If numerator as well as the denominator is increased by 1, now numerator x is increased by 1 and denominator y is also increased by 1, the fraction becomes 1 by 3. So this fraction becomes 1 by 3. Now let's simplify this equation. Let's take this 3 on the left hand side. So we get 3x plus 3. Let's take this y plus 1 on the right hand side, which will be equals to y plus 1. Let's take this one on the left hand side. So we get y is equals to 3x plus 3 minus 1, 2. Let's call this equation 2. We are asked what was the original fraction. Now if you notice here, equation 1 and equation 2 both are exactly same. So that means technically we only have one equation, but we have two unknown variables which are x and y. We only have one equation, but we have two unknown variables x and y. That means we cannot find out the exact value of this fraction. What does this mean? That it means this fraction is not unique. That means this fraction can have multiple values. That means this fraction can be any fraction of the form numerator is x divided by denominator is y. For y we'll write 3x plus 2 because y is equals to 3x plus 2. So for y we'll write 3x plus 2. What I'm trying to say that this fraction can be any fraction of the form x over 3x by 3x plus 2. That means the value of this fraction will depend on the value of the x. Now which of the following options out of these four satisfy this form? That we'll have to check one by one. So first of all, starting with option A, we know that in the numerator there is 4. So let's put x as 4. What do we get? We get 4 over 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 will get 4 by 14, which does not satisfy. We have 4 by 13 here. So option A is not correct. Let's try x is equals to 3 now. X is equals to 3. So we get 3 over 3 3s are 9 plus 2, which will be 3 by 11. And this satisfy our form. So that means option B is the correct one. Let's try with 5 as well. So let's try with x as 5. So here we get 5 over 5 3s are 15 plus 2, which would be 17. And there is no denominator with 17 in it. So that means C and D also does not satisfy our form. So that means only one option is correct, which is B, 3 by 11.